As each day of summer gets warmer and warmer, we know the last thing we want to do is turn on the oven. But just because it's hot outside doesn't mean we lose our craving for something sweet and creamy. That's why today we're throwing together a no-bake cheesecake that we can whip up faster than you can slather on your sunscreen. We start by beating a package of cream cheese until it's smooth. Once it is, we gradually add in some sugar. Then we add a good amount of sour cream and a splash of vanilla. And if we want, we can use a low-fat option. Now, to make our filling super light, we fold in a container of whipped topping. We want to make sure we do this gently. Once it's mixed well, we spoon this into a graham cracker pie crust and we'll pop it in the fridge to firm up. It doesn't get any easier than this. Like I promised, there's no oven, no hard work, and just a couple of bowls to wash. Does this look refreshing or what? Maybe top it off with a few fresh berries and a sprig of mint, and you're good to go. So here's what I'm thinking. All you have to do is go online and get the recipe for our no-bake cheesecake. This way you'll have it before the holiday weekend, leaving you more time to do all the things you want to do. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cool and creamy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.